Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CompTIA A plus 1102. First, begin by thoroughly reviewing the official exam objectives. This ensures you cover all necessary topics. Next, prioritize key areas like operating systems, security, and troubleshooting, as these form a significant portion of the exam. Finally, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating at least 1 hour each day to reinforce your learning and build momentum. To maximize your learning, select high-quality study resources. Official CompTIA study guides and practice exams are invaluable for understanding the exam format and content. Supplement these with video courses from certified instructors, which can clarify complex topics visually. Additionally, joining online study groups offers a great way to ask questions, share insights, and learn from peers, enhancing your overall preparation. Hands-on experience is crucial for the A plus 1102 exam. Practice troubleshooting various scenarios using virtual machines to solidify your practical skills. Develop flashcards for key terms, commands, and acronyms to aid memorization. Consistent review of challenging concepts and areas will help reinforce your understanding and ensure you retain information effectively, preparing you for diverse exam questions. As your exam day approaches, focus on final preparations. Take several timed practice tests to simulate actual exam conditions and manage your time effectively. Prioritize getting sufficient rest the night before to ensure you are alert and focused. On exam day, arrive early to avoid stress, and remember to stay calm and confident throughout the test. You've prepared well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.